Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily recall mail in Outlook on your mobile app. So just head over to Outlook app, and from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on the icon, whether it's Google icon or Outlook icon, depending on which account type you're logged into. Then just click on send. And the only way that you can recall mail in the mobile app is just by holding on the specific email that you want to recall, then click on delete button. Since the apps still have limited features, that's the only way we can recall mail on Outlook mobile app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!